blood on Bourbon Street, and secrets in the cobblestones. Every shadow's got a heartbeat. Every sinner's never quite alone. New Orleans keeps some mysteries, locked in teeth and velvet sleeves. There's blood on Bourbon Street, and it never lets you leave. Red doors, candlelit windows, cards turn slow by weathered hands. She smiles, says, baby, I know you. Draws your future in the glass.